In today's video, we'll see how a CNC machine creates amazing designs on wooden boards. From the very beginning, setup, design, and cutting, everything is done in real time. This machine is computer controlled, meaning it will cut exactly what we design onto the board. First, we place the board on the machine bed. Notice that the wood is about half an inch thick, and it is being held tightly in place by the machine's clamps. If the clamps are not tight, the board can move while the machine is working, which will ruin the design. Now we load the design file on the computer. The software screen shows a flower pattern, a large round blossom in the middle, with delicate leaves around it. We imported this design into CNC router software, such as ArtCam or VCarve Pro. Now we are setting the tool path, that is, how deep a place will be cut, what tool will be used, and what speed will be used. For cutting, we will use a 6mm ball nose end mill cutter. This cutter is great for fine designs. After installing the tool on the machine, we set the Z-axis, height, so that the cutter starts at the correct distance from the wood surface. Now, by simulating in the software, you can see how the design will be made in wood. The entire 3D view can be rotated. The surface of the wood is smoothed, then it is clamped tightly on the machine bed. Now the design created in the CAD software is being set on the machine. The size, depth, and cutting speed of the design are determined. Once the setup is complete, the machine router or cutter head starts working automatically. This is the most fun part. Watch how the spindle moves around and over the wood, creating amazing designs. This work is done entirely under computer control, with absolute precision. The accuracy of the machine at this stage is extremely important. The slightest mistake can ruin the design. Look, a flower design is slowly emerging. It's actually digital art created by humans, but in reality, it's being created by machines. After the design is complete, the finishing work begins. The excess parts are cut off from the wood, smoothed with sandpaper. Then it is painted, polished, or laminated, so that the design looks more attractive. A simple piece of wood has now become a work of art. These designs are used in furniture, door panels, interior design, and even decoration. Safety is very important when working on CNC machines. Always wear goggles, ear protection, and gloves. Never handle the machine while it is running. Clean the machine and back up the software at the end of each day. Look, here are beautiful designs one after another. Door patterns, wall panels, artwork, even nameplates. Each design is unique because each is created with the help of perfect technology. How did you like today's CNC wood design journey? Let us know in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video with some new technology. Thanks, everyone.